friends, today is a video on how to grow Gazania flowers. Gazania flowers are native to South Africa, so you know how warm it is in South Africa. So they grow really easily and very well in a very sunny climate. Yesterday evening I visited a nursery and I picked 5 plants of Gazania for ₹100. So I got each one for ₹20 each. Now since it was dark, I do not know the colors. So I think I have picked up 2 pots which are of the same color and one is red. The other 2 colors I do not know. But then it's really amazing purchase I feel for getting it for ₹20. So today is all about potting them and how to take care about these beauties. Gazania flowers are a member of the daisy family and they are also called as treasure flowers. Now these look at me colors of these flowers like instantly attractive, and they're used to brighten up any dull landscape that is there maybe in your garden. So let us start with its care and what kind of a soil mixture and other pointers that I have to keep in mind to give me or to take care about this flowers. So let us start with a very important factor in the care of Gazania flowers, that is the sun. The sun exposure that is required for these flowers or these plants is the full sunlight. It can grow in partial shade, but full sunlight is the utmost requirement for blooming of Gazanias. I've decided to grow these plants in these hanging basket kind of pots. Of course, it did not have any drainage holes, but I have made some holes so that water can easily drain out. Also, while potting Gazania, you must remember about the kind of soil to be used. Gazanias do best in sandy, well-draining soil, but it can also tolerate any type. But it would be better to use a soil mixture that drains out the water really quickly. So here I have used an equal proportion of garden soil, I have used sand and I have used vermicompost. So using this mixture I will pot them. The next aspect is of the water. If you look at the leaves of the Gazania plants, they have this leathery kind of leaves that gives us a clue that it can tolerate drying of soil between watering. So it is okay to let the soil dry out before watering. But another aspect is if you want flowers to be continuously blooming, watering would play a role. But see that you do not over water your plant. Division is the easiest way to propagate Gazania. To divide Gazania, you just have to take the entire root ball or the plant and lift it from the soil and divide it into smaller sections. Just be sure that each section has about 3 to 5 shoots and several and lots of healthy roots. Gazania plants are also propagated through seeds. Another aspect in the care of Gazania plants is deadheading. A flower that has already bloomed and gone has to be cut off from the stem, so the force required to force out a new bud would be available to the plant. Deadheading, pruning plays a very important role in the care of Gazania. Another important feature of Gazania plants is these flowers close for the evening. So as the day approaches or as evening approaches, the flowers kind of close, and the next morning when the sun is up, it opens up again. A slow release fertilizer like the bone meal fertilizer can be utilized for fertilizing this plant. So when the plant is flowering and in blooms, it would be wise to fertilize it. These flowers are available in red, orange, yellow, white, pink, variegated. Please be sure to add it to your garden. Thank you so much for watching.